Giri istorică, arhitecturală, bă.
Just now kayaking in the around Sumburgh. These are my mates. This is the Sumburgh lighthouse. Yeah, completely brilliant. Okay, so another short update. That's up there, the lighthouse of Sumburgh. I keep kayaking, and it's even better, if it's possible to be better. My mates from Glasgow, they're having a fun and wine. Yeah, that's great experience. I don't know how I missed until now to have a fun with that sport. I never tried it actually.
Okay, you go there and I'll go around. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Come on.
Okay, thank you.
I saw there's some very impressive rocks and I'm just about to capsize. But no, there is a cave, birds. So we just passed a pretty dangerous place over there. All in all, every next minute is even more impressive than I thought it's possible to be. Okay, so having a bit of a rest close to this nice rock full with birdies, seagulls. So this site, it's already counted as the North Sea. Opposite where we started was actually the Atlantic Ocean. That in front of me is my mate. Yeah, very nice. I think we are going to get out of the water over there in that bay somewhere.